morning, guys. I don't feel like doing anything today, but hubby went to work already. I just want to go back to bed, but I have to drop off the kids to school. I have a couple sales that I need to do. You know what, maybe I'll just print the labels and then just pack them inside my car. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that because, you know, those items that my sales, it's in the garage, so don't want to like go back, come back, whatever. I'll just get my materials here and then just do it. I can hear my kids, they're just really loud. It's really loud.
One eternity later.
Good morning!
Hi, it's completely raining.
It's raining today again.
Yeah, and you guys can, if you guys can hear that, I don't know, that's our windshield wiper.
Yeah, it's a windshield wiper. Yeah, it's raining again.
Yeah, and you can see
it's gonna be like this all week, but yeah, I think I mentioned that in a vlog.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna be next week.
What's next week?
Like, is it gonna be rainy next week?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure next week. Have my coffee, which is the
Crystal Glow coffee.
Crystal Glow.
Don't resell this, okay?
Which one?
This one.
The mug?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love this mug. I thrifted this. I was so happy. It's only like, I think not even $5. And I don't think they saw the Starbucks right there, but love this mug. It's still hot, so
Yep.
and I got my sales.
I'll get it.
No, don't get it right there.
Yeah.
I still need to pack them. I just brought it because I'm running out of time. I'm like running around. It's like, oh, I have to drop off Ren too in school. Usually she walks, but it's raining today, so I have to drop her off as well.
Yeah.
And then you have to put your hood when you're walking to go to your school because look,
You can see
raining.
my school,
Yeah.
the gym parts.
And today's Wednesday. You have Kumon, right?
Yeah.
I still have to go to Shoppers to drop off my sale. I have to pack. So pack with me later, guys, in the car. Let's pack sales in the car.
Oh, the title of this video should be like packing sales in my car.
Yes.
And I see my friend lined up there.
Do you want to go now? Hold on.
Yeah, I'll put my hood on.
Bag here.
And the patrol is here anyway.
I love this jacket because it's just, you know, I'm testing it out for this kind of weather and it's nice. It's Lululemon. I forgot what it's called already, but I bought it when it was on sale for like $50. And yeah, it's a bit big on me, but I like it like big so I could layer like, I don't know, like sweatshirt underneath. It's waterproof. I love it. Okay, I have to walk him outside. Hold on. Okay, let's go to Shoppers. We'll do the packing in the parking lot there. Hi guys, so we're here in the car. We're gonna pack. Okay, so what I brought with me is of course the items that I sold. So I sold this frame denim. I am expecting that this will sell fast, but it didn't. So I just accept the offer of $45. Buyer will pay shipping, so I'm okay with that. I bought it for like less than $10. I think it was like $9.99, so I used a 20 or $2 off, 20% or $2 off coupon, so one of those. And then also I sold this. I love this one. You guys know that I tried this on and I'm like, oh, should I sell it or not? I think I sold this for, is it $30? But yeah, I bought this for like $10 minus $2 off or 20% off, one of those. So yeah, okay, so what I got here is I got the labels for them. I just wrote who's going to who. It's not like I have 50 orders that I will swap them and make a mistake. But yeah, so I just wrote them down. Denim, and this one is the top, so that's good. I got my tissue paper, I got my poly mailer, this one, cool, and then my thank you sticker and my twine for wrapping it nicely. And then my Poshmark reusable bag. So now we will wrap it.
I'll do this top first. I got this from my inventory in the garage, so it's so pretty. I would love to keep this, but you know, like come on now. I already have tape over here before, you know, it's wrapping, so. I had, it's gonna be a challenge wrapping in the car, but this is not the first time I'm wrapping the car. It's not center, but oh well, you'll get it. And then the twine, I think I cut it bigger, but they'll do. They'll do. Oh, it's better that it's not centered actually. Double check this pants. Ah, love this pants. Love this pants. Oh, I have to check my vintage. That's the payment went through. This side. Goodness. And twine. Not today. Not today. It's a challenge to pack in my car because I don't have that much room to work with. But as long as it's done, I'm okay with that. Me. Oh, there you go. Okay, so all packed up and ready to go. Oh, God, I have to all this garbage away. So yeah, from the post office.
Rainy day, rainy day. Oh, you can't even see it anyways. So I am in a thrifting mood, like so much lately. So I'm here again at Value Village. There's like nobody here but me. But, well, there is cars from the other side. But I mean, yeah, we're going here first at Giant Tiger. Because, yeah, I'm just gonna check out something at Giant Tiger. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm going to share with you guys a thrift haul. I went thrifting today at Valley Village real quick. So yeah, this is my finds for today. Thrifting worth $20. I used a 20% off coupon. So the prices you see here is 20% off on like discount for that. So the first item is this one. I said no more shoes because I have lots of shoes in my inventory I haven't sold yet, but I can't say no to this one. $6.49 minus 20% off. The Seychelles, they're like in new condition. Like look at the bottom, like just minimal wear. That's about it. Like if I clean this up, I can list this like brand new, but I mean, yeah, I can't say no to this one. This is 8.5 and it's a good size. So yeah, Seychelles, sometimes they sell these at Anthropology, and yeah, these are cute with like dresses. So if you're going to like a wedding this summertime, these are cute. So yeah, got that. And they're leather upper, and then the bottom like balance man-made. So yeah, they're not made in Italy like the other ones, like Seychelles. They're made in China, but they're still pretty, they're pretty cute. Like look at it. So yeah, so I got that for that price, can't say no. And then I saw this one, oh my goodness, Canada Goose t-shirt. They're size extra small though. I have a brand new with tags in my closet. It's gray, but it's v-neck. This one is crew neck and in black. But yeah, Canada Goose extra small in black. So if you're a size extra small, please buy this off of me. Yeah, it's made in Canada, Canada Goose. It doesn't have the hollow like the gray ones that I had, but sometimes the t-shirts doesn't have. So it has this one though, and then this, it has that shiny thing. It has the serial number though, but you see that it's shiny. So yeah, and $3.99 minus 20%, so that's a pretty good deal for that, of course. And this one, I know this is older Tory Burch, but I still picked it up because it's pretty cute. Look at that, it's pineapple. It's green, and they priced it at $3.99, so not mad about it, even though it's like older Tory Burch large. So yeah, the sequence is still intact, so I think that's still good. Pretty cute for summertime, so pick that up. This one is so luxurious. Eileen Fisher, size medium, $4.99 minus 20. I'm so stoked. It's not 100% silk, but pretty close. Pretty close to 100%. Pretty close to 100%. This one is 95% silk, 5% spandex. So yeah, pretty close. But I mean, yeah, it's like v-neck blouse, silk blouse, so cute, in burgundy. And got that. And the last item is this tie. It's not Hermes like Miss Philly got, but I love the pattern. It reminds me of like a honeycomb, but really cute and very soft because it's 100% silk. So yeah, I'm drawn to the pattern, but I mean, it's Christian Dior. It doesn't say Christian Dior for men like Monsieur. It just says Christian Dior. So I'm stoked with that because sometimes it does say Monsieur. And this is made in France, not made in Canada. The ones that I thrifted before is made in Canada. This one is made in France. And you could use this as a twilly, like a wrap it around your bag. And what else? Like a bracelet, you wrap it around your arm. So it's so cute. And yeah. Oh, hey, where's the tag? Oh, probably fell in the car. But anyways, this one is $1.99. Yes, $1.99 for this. But there is a like a little rip though somewhere. I cannot find it anymore. Somewhere along here, but I cannot find it. Is that the one? It's really small though. I could probably fix it myself, but yeah. So that's it. That's my haul for today. Yeah, I feel blah today, maybe because of the weather, but yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Good night.